Hi, welcome to this video on how to turn off the caps lock notification on Windows 11. Turning off the caps lock notification can reduce distractions, while typing, creating a cleaner, more focused workspace without unnecessary pop-ups. Additionally, it can improve productivity by preventing interruptions in your workflow. To turn off the caps lock notification on Windows 11, first, click the settings icon on your taskbar. If it's not displayed on the taskbar, click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Then, on the left-hand side of the Settings main page, click where it says Accessibility. A window will pop up. Scroll down and click where it says Keyboard. Another window will appear where you can change the keyboard settings on your laptop. For this tutorial, we're turning off the caps lock notification. To do that, click where it says Toggle Keys and turn it off. As you can see, mine is already turned off. Yours might say On. Click the button that says On and turn it off. Now that you've turned off the caps lock notification, you can type without hassle and interruptions. That's how you can turn off the caps lock notification on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.